Welcome back to Britton Farms Homestead. Hey guys, today we are going to be planting jalapenos and bell peppers. And I'm going to show you a trick if you don't have a greenhouse, if you don't have grow lights, a heating mat, or a domed planter that has the dome on the top to keep the humidity in. I'm going to show you a trick, something that you probably have at your house that you can use. It's a great trick to starting peppers. All right, first of all, we're out here on our planting bench that we have here. This works out great. It's a table with hardware cloth on the top. Works out great. Anyway, here are our planters, and these are plug planters. And we're just gonna fill them with dirt as normal. And we're using the Miracle-Gro potting mix. Just some I found on sale last year at the end of the year. And these plants are gonna go in the ground later. So we're just gonna get enough in here to get them started. And they're plug planters, so they only be, I don't know, 2 to 3 inches high. And then we're gonna take them out and we're gonna put them in the ground. Anyway, we're gonna go ahead and fill this up with dirt. I'll be back. All right, we've got her filled up with dirt. Now we're just gonna soak this soil so it'll be nice and damp. Make sure you have a well-drained planter. All right, that should be good enough. We're gonna let it drain a little bit, and then we're gonna start putting in our seeds. It's gonna be jalapenos and bell peppers. All right, here's the jalapenos we're gonna plant. We have some from Haas Tools here. We have some, I believe these were from Walmart, chili jalapenos, early. And then we have some from Dollar Seed. If you haven't checked out Dollar Seed, dollarseed.com, they have lots of seeds, and they're $1 a pack. And let's see, this is $1 and it was 50 seeds, approximately 50 seeds. But these are the jalapenos we're gonna plant today. We have got our jalapenos and our bell peppers planted here. And if you don't have a dome to go over the top, because they like it really humid, and if you didn't know, they don't need, until they sprout, they don't need any sunshine. They just need humidity and water and dirt, and that's about it. So if you don't have the dome that goes over the top, and you need to, or a greenhouse, you need to get some humidity going so they sprout earlier. So you can use plastic wrap, and most everybody has this in their house. I have some that was bought at Christmas that is green, but you can use clear or whatever. And you just wrap it in the saran wrap, and it will do the same exact thing as a dome. But you do have to watch it, because if they get too hot, too humid in here, it will cook them after they've sprouted. So you have to check them daily, and as soon as you see those sprouts, pull this plastic wrap off. And that is my tip for SHEDWARS. If you don't have your dome, you have no other way to get the humidity to the seeds to get them to sprout, I bet you got some plastic wrap. Use that. If you like what you're seeing on our channel, go ahead and like and subscribe. If you have another idea for this, using something that you have at home already, go ahead and put that in the comments below. Thanks for watching. God bless you all. Hi guys, today we're gonna do an update on the peppers that we put saran wrap around so the seeds would germinate. I'll show you the difference in between 2 different trays. One was done in the saran wrap, one was not. So here we go. Okay, so this tray was not done in the saran wrap, and these have been out on the porch. You can see a little sprout there. You can see a little sprout there. And these are peppers, as well as this tray right here that's been done. And this was done on 410. Both of these were planted on 410. And today is the 26th. There's another one right there coming up. Now, let's look at the one, and I've got it 410 here. And these are jalapenos. And we're just going to take this saran wrap off. And you can see the difference in the germination rate covered in plastic like this and one that is not. All right. So can you tell a difference? This is very cheap, inexpensive way to help your seeds germinate faster. Look at all of them. They're just doing great in their germination. This one over here, not so much. It wasn't covered with anything. It's just been on the porch like this. I've been watering it. And this one right here, they're just popping up everywhere. So this is a great inexpensive way to speed up the germination of your seeds if you don't have the domes that go over your planters. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Thanks for watching. Go ahead, subscribe, like, hit that bell notification, and God bless you all.